So don't close that window, okay? We will we'll see Kirti's score by the time you are playing. Just take your time, play.
And I don't think it might be too much risk to 21, so I can just repair it.
Yeah, that's correct. You can do it.
And I got this part so I earn something.
Okay, just do it. You're going good so
I
far.
want
You're going good so far.
and I need to buy lunch or I won't have any food.
Yes, staying healthy and staying eating is very important for survival.
So we also need groceries. And I want to have a beginner coding course, but I need to save some money, so I think that's fine for me.
That's very wise. Okay, so this is your score. This is what you have allotted. You're a very conscious planner. So that's a great job already. You were supposed to meet all your needs, because if you don't meet your needs, then how will you survive? So this
Yes.
everyone can see this, right? Now needs are already met. That is why Lindy got a check, because all the needs that she was supposed to take care of, that is food, her broken shoes, her broken headphones, she's taking care of all of that. And so her needs is checked. Some investment also. So she did put some money in the investment, and she has some money saved for future. So there is an emergency fund. Let's say if something bad were to happen someday and you don't know what's going to happen, then she already has some funds to take care of that. So that is again great. However, she has not done anything fun. She wanted to get that course, but she didn't do it. But if you really want to do something, sometimes if you have the funds, you should go ahead and do it. Especially a course that will help you, that is an investment for your future. Maybe it is a good choice to do it. So you have enough sufficient funds already left over for future. You could have spent on um, that course as well, Lindy. So if you would have done that and put it into wants, then your wants would also have been checked. You already have an investment, and then you would have some emergency funds. So once in a while,
Yes.
when you're doing all the planning, don't forget to have fun and do things that you really like. Your wellness is also very important.
So, ma'am,
Yes.
I
Right.
couldn't.
Great job, Lindy. Thanks for sharing. Yes, Kirti. Now we'll come to you. Can you share it with us? What did you get last time? And then we will discuss that. Do you remember?
Last time I got 35 for needs and 55 for investment and
Wow.
0 for save for later and wants.
Okay. So, do you know what is something that you should have and could have done in the last game?
That is save for later or
Yeah. You should have saved for later. Why should you have saved for later?
so that it might be helpful because something much important have occurred.
Yeah. Sometimes emergency happen and they don't tell you before they happen, right? So you should keep something for future, that is called your emergency fund. If you keep an emergency fund, then you can take care of urgent needs. But otherwise, you did a good job with the needs already. You did a good job with investment also. You invested a lot, but you could have put a little bit more on the emergency fund, and you should have done something for your wants. Yes. Now that you have the account, you can play again. You can read the comics and then you can play and see what works for you.
Okay.
Okay. All right.